Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn Recruiter search preferences using filters step by step clearly. To configure your LinkedIn Recruiter search preferences using filters, start by logging into your LinkedIn Recruiter account. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Click on the search bar and select People from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll see a new page with various search options. On the left side, find the filter options available for your search. Start by selecting the location filter to narrow your results. Enter the city or region where you want to find candidates. You can also utilize the experience level filter. Choose the appropriate experience level to align with your recruiting needs. Next, look for the industry filter. Select one or multiple industries that are relevant to your search. Make sure to use the company filter if you're targeting candidates from specific organizations. Type in the company names you're interested in. If you're looking for specific skills in candidates, use the skills filter. Type in the key skills relevant to the positions you are hiring for. You can also make use of the education filter to find candidates with particular educational backgrounds. Select the degrees or institutions that match your criteria. This allows you to input specific terms that candidates might have in their profiles. After setting all your desired filters, take a moment to review your selections. You can always adjust the filters if you need to refine your search further. Once you are satisfied with your filter choices, press the search button to see the results. Review the candidate profiles that match your specified criteria. This will help you identify potential candidates quickly. Remember to save your search preferences for future use. This streamlines the process for your next recruitment effort. By effectively using filters, you enhance your ability to find the right talent on LinkedIn Recruiter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.